Hello all, this is Tim the Toolman with the Road Assist Department. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install the Mudflap. Quick, easy repair, takes 10 minutes. Will take you about 2 hours on the road if you wait for someone else to do it. So quick, obviously most of the time when you pick up a trailer, it's going to be torn off. If you have a Mudflap, great. If not, we'll help you get one. So all you got to do is 2 adjustable wrenches, size it up, and then go to remove whatever's bad or whatnot. So you have it, you come in, it's like that. Maybe the holes are cut out, ripped off. So what you do is we can find a way to make new holes, get a new Mudflap. But all you have to do once you find out a Mudflap, you just kind of line up the holes again. Get 2 started. And then just tighten them down. And then you're good to go.